Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking the vent frame closely. Look for rust, warped metal, and loose fasteners because those cause leaks and rattles. Once seen, remove the screen and any trim that blocks access, and keep screws organized so you don't lose them. Use a brush to clear dirt, then scrape away old sealant with a utility knife so new sealant will adhere properly. Make sure to support the sash if needed. You'll be ready to disassemble the vent next. Now you remove the vent flap and hinge pins to expose the mounting surfaces, because hidden cracks or stripped screw holes often cause misalignment. Once removed, sand any light corrosion and vacuum the channel so new parts sit flush. If holes are stripped, insert anchors or use slightly larger screws. When alignment is off, add thin 1/8 shims where needed to correct tilt. After fitting the replacement hinge or flap, operate the vent several times to confirm smooth travel and proper sealing. Finish by applying a continuous bead of silicone sealant to all mating edges so air and water can't bypass the vent. Smooth the bead for a neat, complete seal. Once cured, reinstall trim and tighten screws evenly to avoid warping the frame, then test the vent in both closed and open positions to confirm alignment and operation. If you still see leaks or drafts, check sash compression and replace the foam gap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.